Alright, and before I got cut off, I was trying to show you, here's my cabbage. And this cabbage is actually what I saved from last year. I actually just kept cutting it and slicing it up. And it just grew. It lasted throughout the summer. And I'm really shocked with that because Florida summers are very, very hot and it usually dies. But I just kept on watering it and fertilizing it and kept cutting it. And there we go. That's this one right here. This one's a new one, seedling. But this one right here is from last year. I'm going to show you something else from last year. These collard greens are from last year too. Check those out. Of course, you see I have quill, that's what it's called, quill, that I put on top of it, you know, to stop the whatever white moths or whatever moths you want to call them that constantly eat the leaves. So it seems to be working for me, so that's how I cover them. Let me show you something else real quickly. So I have some seedlings in here. Some you have not popped out yet, and some have. So I'm covering this with quill also. So this is an experiment. This one right here doesn't have quill. And these do have quill right here. And then this one doesn't. Something already ate that one, but that one right there is trying to grow. Right? So I just went around. And I'm doing the same on this side. Okay. So basically, when you step back, this is what it looks like. And this is another experiment I'm trying. So to see how well it grows and will it be eaten up with the quill on top, how good will it do? And I'll let you know. And here's some more longevity spinach. Okay, so when I do this longevity spinach is when I get it, I just go ahead and pinch a piece off and I put it in the dirt and I just continue to let it multiply. And this is how you save money. And I don't have to worry about planting a whole lot of seeds. Once I see a plant that actually can grow, I'll take a piece of that plant and move it into some more dirt because it's already there and let it continue. Okay, so far with the plants I've done with, and as you can see, here's my salad that I'm going to go inside here and eat. But as you can see, you can save a lot of money by just utilizing the plants and seeds that you have. So I don't really plant a lot of seeds. Okay, what I do is I'll test 3 or 4 seeds, like so. Okay, and once they grow enough, like mustard seeds, the mustard green seeds, they're a little finicky, so I don't really mess with those. But when it comes to collard greens or kale or cabbages and everything, and I see, you know, where I can separate after it's actually grown, separate them and make more plants. I do it that way. To me, it's a lot quicker. And I get a quicker pattern of growth, and I can make salads a lot quicker. So, you know, I plant a couple of seeds, they grow. If I could split them and multiply them into different pots or different places, I do that. And I wind up with salads like this. And I could do this about 3 times a week. And hey, you know, that's all you can ask for, right? I mean, I don't eat a salad every day. In the wintertime, I tend to eat more because you can grow more greens in Florida in the fall and winter time. Of course, in the summertime, everything seems to dry up and wilt because it's just too hot. So this is when I get my leafy greens, and this is how I do it. Okay, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, and please subscribe. Any comments down below? You can go ahead and any constructive advice that you can give me and to help me with my fall gardening will be much appreciated. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.